Hello and welcome back. In this class, we are going to look at the basics of using LibreWriter. Okay, like we've explained earlier, LibreWriter is the alternative to Microsoft Word. This is the Libre version of the Microsoft version. Okay, so to access LibreWriter, all you need is to start by opening your LibreOffice from the launchpad and you brought in here. Like we've explained earlier, these are recent documents, but if you want to create a writer, or if you want to write a document or create a document or use the LibreWriter, you can see it over here. So you can create different types of document, from a spreadsheet to presentation to drawings to math and database. Okay, so you can start using LibreWriter by just clicking on write a document over here. So once you open it, you will notice that there are a number of things here that can benefit you. So the platform actually looks like the Microsoft Word. Like you can see all the text editing features. You have all the font style and the font sizes. Okay, you can bold, italize, and underline things, and having superscript and subscript, just like the way we have in the normal Microsoft Word document. You can have the text alignment features, the indenting, and so on. All of them are distributed accordingly here. And you can create and open documents from here. You have all of these basic features, which we are going to cover how to use all of them in details in this complete beginner's course. Okay, so you can see all of these. You can insert special characters, you can insert hyperlinks, and so on, and you can deal with shapes also, or drawing functions directly. You have basic shapes down here, and you can see multiple of them over here at the bottom. Okay, so you have a bunch of different kind of features. You can use different kind of emoji styles and so on. And at the left of the right over here, you have a number of features, like you have the properties of text. When you click on text properties, you'll have all of these features to play around with. And you have the font style. Okay, the different styles. You have the image properties over here, the galleries. You have different types of gallery that you can bring in. Okay, you can just check around and see which ones. You have the navigator, which we are going to look at the basics of some of them over here. You have the page setup over here, and you have the style inspector also over here. Quite a number of things are here. Manage changes if you are interested. So we're going to cover the most basic and the most interesting ones through the course. So you can always click to collapse this, or you can click back to show the properties in cases if you are editing or dealing with different kind of text. So as usual, when you open, you will see this paper size. Okay, always located just like the way you have in Microsoft Word. You can type anything and hit on enter to continue typing and so on. You can do quite a lot of things from here. Okay, so at the top here you have the ruler, which you have at the horizontal top. Okay, and you can enable the side ones also. If you come to view, you can see the status bar. You have the toolbars, different types of toolbars you can customize and enable accordingly. Okay, so you can see the rulers. This is the vertical ruler, and once you click, you can enable it directly. So this is the size of the page. This is at 100%. You can zoom it out also if you want to go back to 80%. I always like to keep it at 100, and you can go beyond that also if you're interested. So like you have in the normal Word document, you have the word and character count over here. You can see the details over here. You can be able to see which page you are on, how many words and characters, and the default style. You can be able to see everything, the language, and you can change the look of the page and so on. So basically this is how to access the LibreOffice Writer and have access to all of these features. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next class. Now in the next class, we're going to look at how to create a project and probably do some very basic text editing within LibreOffice. So until next time, thanks for watching, and see you in the next class.